No one warned me that burping a baby isn't just a quick pat on the back. Sometimes it takes minutes, like full-on therapy session minutes. At first, I panicked. Was I doing it wrong? But then I learned, it's about patience, position, and listening. That tiny burp. It's a big deal. It means comfort. It means sleep. It means less spit up down your shirt. So now, I take my time. I breathe. I wait. I listen. Because burping a baby, it's a little moment that makes a big difference.